Class 3 only, right? Class 2 is simply 10-15 minutes. You can correct that class 3. Till now, how many subheadings we have completed? Only subheadings fine. One is order entry, booking, quick release. Okay. Some cross questions will talk, like questions as well as even topics also required here. That is, what is back order? Okay. Back ordered it is. If you don't have a sufficient quantity available, it will become a back order. So we'll see that. So first of all, you take any one of the item. Close the door, please. Close. It is having 400 quantity. Okay. Now, if I enter here 500, obviously there is a shortage of quantity, correct? So the rest of the quantity will become a back order. You see, 500 we are expecting out of 400 only. So where exactly we can identify it is a back order. So that we'll see now. Okay. So book order. It is saying clearly on hand quantity fails to satisfy its reservation. Then after that continue. If you go and check line items, you see a status here is awaiting shipping. Clear? Awaiting shipping it is. Now take this sales order. Then next is booking. Booking is also over. At the time of pick release, we have already query yesterday developed, correct? There are few tables we combined. OE order headers on, OE order lines on, and the moment you add another table, we have to add the primary key also, correct? The join is what is header ID, and then OL dot header ID. We wanted here order number and its statuses, flow status code, OL dot flow status code. Order number. Okay. And this is a line level status. Okay. Now, additionally, there are few more delivery tables. Delivery tables where you can see, go to line items, actions here, and one more is additional line information. There is a deliveries. So it will not give you the record history, correct? If record history is not there, we have to go to diagnostics examine. There is an option here, that is system last query. Okay. You check this from class, whatever it is appearing, this is the one. Even in the office also same thing you can see. It will not be changed. Therefore, you have to go to script here. There are certain tables in this. These are all the three tables. New deliveries, delivery assignments, and delivery details. Okay. So I'll add up over here by seeing this joins. The first table is the hierarchy you have to follow. You should not follow your own the hierarchy here. The first one is what it is. The order, you should not follow your own order. This I'm talking about first. WSH delivery details, WDD, and then OH dot, the primary key is what it is, header ID, WDD dot, correct, source header ID. So you practiced multiple times, that's why you are able to recall, right? Then what else? If you want line level also, there is a line ID, then WDD dot, right, obviously source line level. And in this way, we have to check release status. WSH dot, sorry, the WDD, the alias name here, right? Release status. No, right now R. Now it has to become a B here. Okay. So I'm not combining all other tables, assignments, new deliveries. I don't require at this moment. So I wanted only WSH delivery details. Now we booked already. The next step will be pick release. Go to shipping and release sales orders. Release sales orders. Standard. Warehouse and then auto pack delivery. Execute now. Now you verify this particular query. If you notice here, there are two statuses. So one is Y. Some quantity is picked up, but some quantity has become a back order. That's why the status is showing it as a B. Now tell me how to display the back orders. What is back order is? If you don't have a sufficient quantity available, it will become a back order. To display only back ordered quantity, then definitely the same query we can use. But in the where condition, what you have to do, WDD.release status is equivalent to condition. The condition is what it is, B. B for back order. And quantity, everything we can see into here only. There is a OOL dot quantity. Quantity is ordered quantity. Like this. Okay, only back order. And remove this particular line if you want. Ordered quantity is 500. Okay. The other quantities we can see somewhere here. You have to verify all the, is there any quantity related column? Okay, just go and verify in this. Take this. Order returns and sales orders. You not only line level, at header level also we can see actions and additional order information. Go to delivery. So delivery tab we can access from both the places. One is header level actions, that is additional order information. Another one is line items actions, additional line information. If you go to actions, additional line information, deliveries, you can see here there is a quantity that is back order. If you want to see delivery details, like how much ordered, quantity ordered, and how much delivery quantity is 400, the pending quantity has become a back order. That's it. Okay. So every information you can see in this mountain. obviously not available, then go to save system last query. I hope you understood. Just 2 points only, correct? You have to remember 2 points only. First of all, what is back order means? Whenever we don't have a stock availability, then it will become a back order. And on which basis we can figure it out? What is the column name? What is the table name? The column name is what it is? Released status. And table name is this one, WSH delivery details. Okay. Now, next question. Till what stage we can cancel a sales order? This is another question. Now, if you try to cancel this, for example, here, go to actions, cancel. We are at peak release level, correct? Then see the reason here. So it is saying here, you are not allowed to cancel the order line because line has already picked, okay, and they kept somewhere. That's called as a staged. From warehouse, they will pick it up and they will move to other area. We'll see after booking whether we'll be able to cancel or not. So I'm creating sales order again. Line items. No, I'm canceling a sales order. Here. Whether it will allowed or not, we have to check. Same reason only I'm giving. Now see the status. We'll have to requery this. Check the status of a line. Still it is entered. Right? After booking, we are thinking require a booked order line. So the quantity and all we have not given. Yes. Quantity is 0. So after booking, I am trying to cancel a sales order. So it is saying here, cancellation completed. So after order entry, we can cancel. After booking also, we can cancel. Correct? Let's see at pick release level. One more point. Yeah. The statuses you have to observe. Okay. Go to shipping, release sales order, release sales order. I go and verify. I again try to cancel the sales order. Okay. Actions, cancel. So it is saying here. Okay. Only two stages possibility is there. That is order entry and booking. Okay. Till what stage we can cancel is till pick release, or we can say pick confirm we cannot do. Okay. Now next point here is link between sales order and customer. Table level links you have to learn over here. Okay. Sales order table and customer table. Go to help record history here. OER headers V. Paste somewhere and press F4. Script here. We are looking for order number. Just Control F only. This is order number, but this is the title of that particular record. But you have to see the actual thing. You need to press F3, F3 here. See, F3 is the next value it will show. Take this H dot order number. Now H stands for what it is that you have to take in the from class. Go to okay, go to from class straight away. You'll have to identify in this H alias name. The H stands for here is OER headers all. Okay, headers all we have to take. If you don't take underscore all, it will be a view. It will not hold the data. You will not see the data. But I'll tell you how to retrieve from this OER headers also. That is also one option. The next is what we are looking. We are looking customer. Go up again, control home. Yes, customer number. F3. Customer number is what it is. It's an account number. Actually, it is stored as an account number, and it is from cust account tables. Take this. Second column it is cust account dot account number, but cust account is what it is a table alias. Now you will have to tell me what is cust account stands for in the from class. Just observe from here onwards, one by one. These many are the tables, but we require only one table. Only observe at the right hand side aliases and tell me cust account stands for what and at which line number it is. 3. This one, correct? Take this table name. Now we need to check the join between these two tables, H and cust account. Go to where class, H and cust account. Observe one by one and tell me. Forward. Correct. This is sold to ARG ID is the column name that is equivalent to cust account ID. Copy this. Is the where condition. Okay. And if you want customer name is a party name. It is. Go here. Party name. This alias name is not required for us. Okay. Party name only we are taking here. Party stands for here. Party table. Copy. Party for HZ. Party set is. The join between party and cust account is party ID. Come here. Tell me which line it is. Cust account and party. This one, right? Tell me the join. Join is what it is. Then table HZ parties HP dot primary keys party ID is equivalent to trust account dot party ID. So this is the way we can make a relationship between customer and your party and order number here. Okay. HP dot party name. These are all no need to copy paste. If you know one time, you can directly type also. See, it is not giving data, correct? Why? Because this is a view. If you press F4 here, it is a view. As for Oracle, view doesn't hold data. So to get the data, there is one option is there here. If you don't want to use underscore all, this is the best option. That is begin. It's a PLSQL related. Then MO global dot set policy context it is. It is having here two parameters. One is access mode, other one is ArcID. Sorry, I took wrongly. Or it is S for a single. ArcID we don't know the value of ArcID. So to identify the ArcID value, ArcID is the identifier of this particular operating unit. Okay. Vision operations is the operating unit here. For this one identifier is there. So to identify that identifier, go to help, diagnostics and examine. There is a dollar profile dollar and then ArcID. This is how we can identify. Okay, again, I'm repeating. Go to help, diagnostics, examine. We'll have to choose here dollar profile. Dollar means it will get dynamically value. It's like a reference. Then after that, ArcID. In your company, it will vary. So for example, we'll check another order management related responsibilities. ArcID, order management, Dell, PTTR. Let's see what is ArcID of it. This is related to our vision operations only. That's what it is showing. We'll check another vision services or something. So vision services is another one. Same diagnostic. You don't need to open any one of the form, not required. Directly you can go to diagnostics. See, do you see there is a value? In the company also, you may not see 458, you may not see 204. Okay, values they will fix. Project to project, values will vary, but procedure is same. Now, what I should pass here is 204. Select this, control enter. And you will get a message saying that PLSQL procedure successfully completed. Then after that, control enter. You will see some data. 15,000 records are there. If you pass here 458, for example, here the ArcID of vision services, $458, right? Now view is like a logical window. Simply whatever we give input, that input related data only it will give. Earlier 15,000 records, remember? Now I'm entering again, control enter. After executing this PLSQL procedure, the data will be different in this. See, now there is no data related to 458. Is that correct? 458, yes. This is the way the views will be helpful here. Now, always what you have to do for better performance, if you want to get all operating unit, then definitely you have to use underscore all. Now it is giving data. You may not see 15,000 here, you will see all the data. See, 45,000. Means there are various other R guide is also there here. Not only 458, not only 204. All operating units, all branches data will be available into underscore all tables. Clear? So this just for awareness I told you. Anyway, we'll revise this topic later also. So this is the way we can make a relationship between order and customer. Take this query. Is it clear now? The link between sales order and customer. What will be your answer here is sold to R guide is equivalent to customer account ID from cust accounts table. You don't need to say party ID not required. Straight away you can focus on this join. Clear? Okay. So till now, how many tables we have seen? Tell me. In last 4 classes. Tables very important, guys. I'm just typing the title. You have to tell me the tables. Item table, MTL, system, items B. Okay, on hand quantities. MTL quantity. Okay, next. Price list, pricing. Price list you are not aware. I did not tell you it seems. PP list headers. PP means quality pricing. List lines. Pricing. This I did not tell you earlier. Attributes. What else? 3 setups required already. Then next order entry. Booking. For all these tables are OE order, headers all OE order. Okay. There are certain shipping tables. Shipping is another module. So there are 3 tables, correct? Yeah. Yeah, you'll have to say WSH, delivery details. Sequence you need to say, not randomly. Correct. Delivery assignments. WSH. Perfect. These are all the tables as of now. Then again, invoice and all table will be different here. Now, next step here is next question. How to display open sales orders? Open sales orders means it will be stuck at book level or still it is at entered level or quick release level or invoice level, whatever it is. That's called as a open. Open means some flow is pending, we can say in one line. Okay. Check in this particular table. There is a flag. Flag means checkbox it is. Okay. Check this. Open flag. It is Y. Okay, and this is not a open here. Take this order number. Yeah, you have to check here. And we may not sure this is belongs to which ARG ID. So ARG ID is also required. Correct. This is some other. We try to take this, but this is not related to vision operations. Okay. This one you can take. These are all different, right? These are all not open sales orders. Open sales orders means like simply we have to say Y only. Take this order number. So it is cancelled. Pending it is. Anything else? You will have to test as a developer few records. Go to line items. These are all the closed. Okay. Open means again pending sales orders. Now, how to derive sales representative? Sales representative, you can see here, this one. Okay. This we need to derive. For this, there is a JTF RS sales reps. One table is there for sales representative. If you don't know fully table name, we have other methods also there. That is FND tables. This is the table name. If you forget any table, like for example, you don't know, you are not able to pronounce OE order headers all, you can see here, correct? All the tables are available into this particular table. It's a data dictionary table it is. So many times we'll forget tables. Not these major tables anyway, will not, but there are some other tables we don't know. So at that time we can use this. And this is for table name. You can use another table that is FND columns also. Join between these two is FT. The join is table ID, table ID. Now I wanted table name as well as column name. Okay. We don't know as of now column name where it is available. You give me one column name. So shall I say flow status code or release status column? Correct. FC dot release status. So it is not listing out means something syntactically wrong. still. Okay. Your release status column is available into this particular table, WSS delivery details. So this is the way we can easily track table name, unknown column name. So this query is really helpful to you. Okay. Now we are talking about sales representative, and we already identified the table name is JTFRS sales reps. So you have to add over here JTFRS sales reps. Then H dot sales rep ID. You can see this is the column name, and JRL dot sales rep ID. Okay. Check only one particular order. This I'm taking. We required sales representative name. You keep the cursor over here and double click, it will be copied automatically. You are able to see, right? Same. This sales representative. So that's how we can derive sales representative. Tell me the table name. JTF RS sales reps. Okay. These are all the points usually interviewers also will focus. Now in the next class, what we can do, as I told you earlier also, invoice, receipt, and transfer to zero, so that we can close the O2C cycle. Okay, this we'll see in the next class. So today we talked about only few points: how to display open sales orders, and what is the link between. Sorry, here we tried to. What is the link between sales order and customer, and what stage we can cancel? What is back order? You just go through all this. These are all very important. Any questions? I'm stopping at this moment. No questions, right? Okay.